on board. Thank you.
Dromaeosaurus, Microraptors, and Velociraptors. We live among the descendants of dinosaurs. The killing claw of a velociraptor, the talons of birds of prey, top of the food chain, the ultimate predator. Eagles, hawks, owls, vultures, rulers of the skies, hunters, and masters of flight. Welcome to Predators on Wings.
Hello everyone, and a very good afternoon to you, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. It's so great to see all of you here today. So how is everyone feeling? Are we all feeling good? That's really great to hear. So my name is Summer. This is my buddy Shama, and we are Raptor Rangers. Our team here at Bird Paradise is passionate about understanding and protecting birds of prey.
And as Raptor Rangers, we conduct rescue and release efforts. We also help to take care of the birds here. And today, we are going to introduce to you some of our favorite predators on wings.
That's right. And to start off, you guys hear that? Some of you hear that?
Yes, I do. That's from Singapore, but where is it? Everyone, we Nelson, our white-bellied sea eagle. They get around in South Asia, and one of the few raptors responsible right here in Singapore.
White-bellied sea eagles have sharp talons and rough undersides to help them prey onto slippery and struggling prey like fish or even snakes. In fact, they specialize in hunting venomous sea snakes.
Alright, speaking of sea snakes, I have one right here with me. Keep your eyes on Nelson. Here we go. Oh, flying around. Wow, nice little there. Alright. And oh yeah. So ladies and gentlemen, what we just witnessed, alright, is a very common behavior for birds of prey in fact.
Alright, what's this? And wow, what an incredible catch! So as you can see, brownie kites like Rado are extremely agile and maneuverable. Shall we see that again, everyone? Ready? Here we go. And wow! Another good look at by Rado. So if you take a look at Rado over here, you will see that it is a medium-sized raptor. Don't let his size fool you, because they can still prey from a bird as big as a white-bellied sea eagle like Nelson. And as you walk around our parks here at Mandai, don't forget to look up, because you might be lucky enough to spot yourself some wild raptors. And this is what they will look like in our skies. The one on your left is the white-bellied.
Alright everyone, this is Eclipse, our Malay fish owl. Another local species found right here in Singapore. And the rodents that these birds hunt for never hear them coming, because owls are masters of silent flight.
That's right. And speaking of silent flight, we have another Malay fish owl waiting very patiently to join us here on stage. But for that, I need everyone to please remain seated. Let's give those guests a moment. Alright, everyone, please remain seated and let's all be as quiet as possible as we are about to experience the owl's unique ability of a silent flight. Alright everyone, so this right here is Latin, and I bet none of you heard anything about how it's called, am I right? So the reason owls are able to fly this silently is because they have soft edges on the tips of their wing feathers, which alters air turbulence and absorbs noise, which allows their flight to be as silent as they whisper. Owls also have incredible eyesight and binocular vision, just like us, which gives them depth perception.
They're talking about eyes, the colors of their eyes, and numerically very fun. The owls with yellow colored eyes that love the eclipse only hunt during the day.
So Stu Eager has been with us for over 27 years, which makes her a much-loved member of the Mandai family.
In zoos or parks like this, animals tend to live a lot longer than they usually do in the wild, which means they will retire after working with us for many years.
And after our senior birds retire, this
This is an unusual bit of prey. It prefers to stay on the forest ground in search of their prey that's hiding underneath. These birds have long legs and flat claws, which allows them to roll over the rocks, leap over tree bark, or even sweep aside wood chips and dry leaves in search of worms. As you can see, it's a very common behavior. So what it's doing naturally is it's scavenging for a little piece of food that it's finding on the ground. There you go. Over to someone right there.
over here, and on the count of 3, 1, 2, and 3! What an amazing job! Raul, it's time for you to head back home. Let's all give it up for Raul, our southern western Karan, as he heads back to his cave. Everyone, please try to remain seated as the bird will be flying a little close to your head. Alright, so everyone, please try to remain seated. Thank you. So these birds are from the Americas and are one of the very few birds. These birds are the little waves that feed on the flesh and organs of the carcass. They are sociable yet aggressive feeders. After a carcass is found, they might wait nearby before beginning to feed, but after they get going, about 100 birds can gather for the feast and strip a carcass clean in under 20 minutes. Once commonly found across Africa, these birds are now critically endangered.
Alright, aren't we forgetting one more species?
Oh yes, that's right. We do have one more species joining us here on stage, but before that I need everyone to please remain seated. And with that, let's welcome our marabou stock from Africa. And another one right up there. Now, if you take a closer look at our lovely ladies here on stage, our marabou stocks, you will see that.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for coming up so much this evening. Now, allow me to share with you our next
We are almost finished. इसे करना देगा, इसे करना देगा।